What are we having this liberty for? We are having this liberty in order to reform our social system, which is full of inequality, discrimination, and other things, which conflict with our fundamental rights. This is a quotation by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the one who fought for human rights in Bharat when we were suppressed by Western notions. Warm greetings, everyone. This is Vanya, and you are listening to Radio Bose of JC Bose University of Science and Technology, YMCA, Faridabad. Today, we gather to commemorate Human Rights Day, a day that reminds us of the inherent dignity and equal rights of every individual on this planet. It was on December 10, 1948, that the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, UDHR, a document that became a beacon of hope for humanity, affirming that regardless of race, gender, religion, or nationality, every person is entitled to freedom, justice, and equality. Human rights are not privileges, they are the foundation of freedom, peace, and justice. Yet, as we celebrate this day, we are painfully aware that these rights are not universal in practice. Around the world, countless individuals face oppression, discrimination, and violence. Their voices are silenced and their basic rights denied. But today is not just a reminder for the challenges, it is a call to action. It is a call to each one of us to protect these rights, to be the voice of the voiceless, and to stand against injustice wherever it occurs. Human rights are not abstract ideals. They touch every aspect of our lives: the right to education, to healthcare, to freedom of expression, and to live without fear. They are the foundation upon which societies are built, enabling individuals to live with dignity and contribute meaningfully to their communities. This year, let us reflect on what we can do as individuals and as a collective. Let us challenge ourselves to foster inclusivity, to break down barriers of prejudice, and to champion equality. Whether it is through education, advocacy, or simply speaking out against injustice in our daily lives, we all have a role to play. Let us also honor the brave human rights defenders who risk their lives every day to fight for justice. Their courage reminds us that change is possible, but it requires persistence and solidarity. As I conclude, I urge each of you to carry the spirit of this day forward, not just today, but every day. Let us build a world where human rights are not merely aspirations but lived realities. Let us stand united in our commitment to justice, equality, and humanity. Thank you for tuning in. Let's make human rights not just a reminder but a call to action. Stay tuned for more podcasts with Radio Bose.